everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you our car getting stuck in mud. So our car was stuck in mud and we had to come and try and get it out, but it would not move. You can see that the tire was completely stuck in mud. So we called the truck to come and get it out. Here's the video of the truck trying to get it out. Sadly, the truck couldn't get our car out, so it was stuck there. Stay tuned for a part 2 of this, when our car actually comes out. Thank you everyone for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys!